How do I deal with insurance after a motor vehicle accident? Start by notifying your own insurance company, documenting everything, and being careful with what you say to any adjuster. Give basic facts, like where and when the crash happened, the vehicles involved, and the claim number. But do not guess about speed, distance, timing, injuries, or who was legally at fault. Keep a file with the crash report information, photos of the vehicles and scene, repair estimates, tow and rental bills, medical records, medical bills, work notes, witness information, emails, texts, and adjuster contact information. Try to confirm important insurance conversations in writing. Be especially careful with recorded statements and medical authorization forms. Your own insurer may have policy requirements, but the other driver's insurer is usually looking for information to evaluate or defend the claim. In North Carolina, contributory negligence can be a serious issue because the insurer may argue that your own actions helped cause the crash. Also remember that property damage and injury claims are often handled separately. A vehicle repair payment does not always settle your injury claim, but a written release might be broader than you expect. Read it before signing. Finally, insurance talks do not automatically stop legal deadlines. Many North Carolina injury and property damage claims have a 3-year deadline, but different deadlines can apply. If you are hurt, fault is disputed, coverage is unclear, or medical bills are unpaid, get advice before giving detailed statements or signing settlement papers.